Oh, hi, team.
Hi there.
Hi there.
Hello there.
Hey. So, you know, we daydream about the channel every now and again and try to figure out new fun segments to do. And what's going on in our lives obviously spills into it. You've heard of the quick fire. This is the kid fire.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So some things that we do at the house on a weekly basis that the kids go nuts over. Kids pizza, but we take all the stress of dough out of it by using naan bread as the base. Let's get into the action. We've stabilized our Kamado Joe Classic 3 at 350 degrees, 400 would also be acceptable, and we installed a cast iron griddle, one of my favorite accessories. And then I start looking at the ingredients, and I've got to say, what's going to take the longest to cook? Well, for today, we don't have a lot of moving parts. It's just going to be a little bit of sauce, a little bit of cheese, and a little bit of sausage, and of course, our naan bread. Obviously, the sausage is going to take the longest. So let's pop open our lid and examine our grill. Here again, I've got the cast iron griddle. It's at the highest portion of the divide and conquer. I'm going to get a little oil, and I like to oil the top because I notice I'm at a slight hill, so it's starting to ramp down. And now I'm going to take that sausage and just kind of make a large patty with it. Notice at 350 we still get a little bit of sizzle. All I'm looking for here is a little bit of caramelization, and then we're gonna flip. We'll end up chopping this up and putting it on top of our naan bread, but another thing we're gonna get out of this sausage is the rendered fat. And we're gonna kind of rub some herbs in there, rub that naan bread in there, and let it start picking up some of that flavorful grease that we love so much in sausage. Now, if you want to do pepperonis or you want to do slices of a sweet Italian sausage, sky's the limit. You know, if you want to switch out the tomato sauce for a barbecue sauce base, whatever. Yeah, it is fun. Now that we've got all that grease rendered out on the cast iron, it's a perfect opportunity to kind of get some fresh herbs in there and let those essential oils come out so that naan bread picks up all those gorgeous flavors and aromatics. Doesn't take long on the herbs. We don't want it to get bitter. So what I'm gonna do now that all those essential oils are in the sausage grease, we're gonna go ahead and slide that directly into the flame, and we'll get some herb smoke on this.
Fun.
Yeah. And then we're gonna roll this naan bread around, let it drink it up, toast it off a little. Yeah, beautiful things. Simple things, but beautiful things. I like the color, a little more caramelization. It's gonna add to the flavor. Let's go ahead and top this with our pizza sauce. Cooking for the kiddos doesn't have to be difficult. Whenever you fire up that grill, they want to be involved. Let's use flavors they're comfortable with, but also use it as an opportunity to push the limits a little bit. Again, if you want to try different types of cheese, if you want to introduce them to different vegetables in a small amount on a pizza, fantastic way to do it. This should be fun. This should be simple. This should be, you know, Tuesday night before soccer practice.
Quick.
Well, that's the idea, right? We're not dealing with a dough here. The naan bread's already made. You're just elevating it, getting it on the table, having fun, sitting down at the table together. This is Tuesday night cooking at its best. Oh yeah. And I can tell it's crisped up nice. That's a beauty. Now, this is gorgeous in its own right, but just because it's for the kids doesn't mean we can't elevate it a little bit. I want a little more of that sausage, and I'm just gonna mince it up so it is more of a sprinkleable, if that's a word. Sprinkleable garnish. Rest that chef snack right there. And then we'll do a little chiffonade of basil. So we're just gonna roll these up tight. And this stuff is great for the kiddos too, you know, just teaching them some knife skills, teaching them some fire safety, grill safety. Like, what a great opportunity. Fluff that up a little bit and just right over the top.
Come on.
Yeah.
Great.
Yeah, look at that. Let's give it a little bit of SPG just to amplify things. And then let's cut this into, I don't know, 6 or 8 pieces, one right down the middle. Oh, wait a minute, what am I talking about? I was about to do it flatbread style. Let's do it pizza style, you know? I mean, look at that. That's my piece right there. That's
fun.
That's silly. Now, you could take my word for it that this is gonna be a great pizza, but I've got an expert with me today. You're right, come on in, buddy.
You're the expert?
Yep.
This is our pizza expert today. Do you like sausage pizza?
Yes, please.
Okay, try a piece. Let's see. Yeah, let's cheers. All right, here we go.
I love that flavor.
You heard it here. You heard it here first. I do too. I like the crunchiness. What else do you like about that?
I like that sausage, the lettuce, everything.
Lettuce is good.
Lettuce is good. Team, it doesn't get any better than this. Get everybody involved. You're right. Thank you so much. Enjoy some of that pizza. That's good.
Okay.
Folks, if you enjoyed this recipe video as much as Uriah just enjoyed that bite, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, share it, like it, do leave us a comment, and let us know what your toppings would be in the comment section. Curious to see what those are for the kiddos or for the whole family. And as always, from our backyard to yours, cheers and happy grilling.